Some places on Earth pulse with a unique energy, none more so than New York City. Here, cultures from every corner of the globe converge, creating a vibrant mosaic of life. More than a city, it's an ecosystem built by human hands and dreams. The city's rhythm is felt the moment you arrive, a hum rising from the streets, a symphony of sirens, chatter, and the subway's rumble. This is the city's heartbeat, drawing people in, inviting them to become part of its story. From above, New York is a forest of steel and glass, avenues stretching to the horizon. Each building is a monument to ambition, sunlight glinting off glass by day, millions of lights painting the night. Every street corner holds a new discovery, towering skyscrapers one moment, quiet neighborhoods the next. The city is a living organism, constantly evolving. Even a simple walk becomes a grand adventure. It invites us to look closer, to listen, and to appreciate the intricate beauty of this human habitat. New York is a place of endless exploration. It's a city that belongs to everyone. Here, the world's stories are written and rewritten every day. The city's energy is a constant, reassuring presence. It's a breathtaking spectacle, a reminder of the creative force of humankind. This is the capital of Earth. At the harbor's entrance, the Statue of Liberty stands as a beacon of hope. Her torch represents enlightenment, her tablet a reminder of freedom. She is a gift from France, assembled piece by piece, a feat of engineering and international friendship. More than a statue, she's a universal emblem of liberty and new beginnings. For generations, immigrants saw her as their first glimpse of a new life. She's witnessed countless stories unfold, standing through storms and sunshine. From her crown, the city's vastness comes into focus. Skyscrapers, bridges, and the intricate web of streets. The Lady in the Harbor offers not just a view, but a vision of the American dream. Her presence is a profound reminder of resilience and hope. She connects us to history and to the ideals that built this city. The Statue of Liberty is not just America's symbol, but the world's. She continues to inspire all who gaze upon her. She is the silent guardian of New York's harbor. In the heart of the city lies Central Park, a vast, living sanctuary. Here, the city's relentless pace slows, replaced by rustling leaves and birdsong. Central Park is the city's green lungs, providing fresh air and a space for recreation and reflection. Designed with vision, it was sculpted into rolling hills, lakes, and winding paths. The park changes with the seasons, offering new beauty year-round. Wildlife thrives here: squirrels, hawks, waterfowl, and migratory birds. It's a vital habitat, proof that nature can flourish in the urban world. For New Yorkers, it's a shared backyard, a place to connect with nature and each other. Families picnic, couples row boats, friends play music under the trees. Central Park is a stage for life in all its forms. It's a democratic space, open to everyone. The park reminds us of our deep need for nature. It's a living work of art, always evolving. Central Park is the city's heart of green. Times Square is where New York's energy feels electric. Called the crossroads of the world, it's a river of humanity, day and night. Giant billboards bathe the square in a vibrant, ever-changing glow. The sounds are a chorus of urban life: conversations, music, taxis, and subway rumbles. It's a place that never sleeps, exhilarating and overwhelming. Times Square has transformed over decades, reflecting the city's evolution. Now, it's a dazzling family-friendly destination, a living museum of popular culture. The spectacle is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect. Faces light up in wonder, strangers united in amazement. It's a cathedral of light, a modern monument to our connected world. Times Square is always remaking itself, yet always unmistakably itself. Here, the city's pulse is at its most intense. It's a place where the world comes together. The Brooklyn Bridge is an icon, an engineering marvel and a symbol of New York. Its stone towers and steel cables have inspired generations. Walking its promenade is a journey through time, connecting past and present. Built through sacrifice and innovation, it was once the world's longest suspension bridge. The view from the bridge is breathtaking, Manhattan's skyline rising like a mountain range. The bridge sways gently, a living part of the city. Its arches and cables create mesmerizing patterns against the sky. Artists and dreamers have long found inspiration here. To walk the bridge is to marvel at human creativity. It's a place for reflection and wonder. The Brooklyn Bridge is the city's enduring link between boroughs and eras. New York is more than buildings. It's a collection of people from every continent. Its diversity is its greatest strength, fueling creativity and new ideas. The city's energy comes from dreamers, artists, entrepreneurs, scientists, all chasing their passions. New York whispers that anything is possible if you work for it. This spirit is visible in every determined stride and hopeful glance. The city is always changing. Neighborhoods, cuisines, art forms, never standing still. It rewards curiosity and resilience. To live or visit here is to join a process of continuous creation. These stories are a labor of love, capturing the city's essence for the world. If these images inspire wonder, your support helps us share more. Subscribing lets us explore and tell more vital stories. New York's story is made by its people, past, present, and future. The city is a living dream, always becoming. Your support keeps these stories alive. New York City lives in the global imagination, but experiencing it in person is unforgettable. The city engages all your senses. Its energy, food, and people leave lasting memories. Built by immigrants, its spirit of welcome endures. Whether for a day or a lifetime, the city invites you to explore and discover. Every corner holds a new adventure, a story waiting to unfold. New York inspires us to dream bigger and believe in our own potential. Imagine walking the Brooklyn Bridge, gazing at Times Square, or finding peace in Central Park. New York is more than a place. It's an experience, a feeling, an idea. The capital of Earth is waiting for you. Its story is still being written. Perhaps one day, you'll add your own chapter.